This is my notes. All around the world, people waste water. Some fresh drinking water has been waste. I think water should be protected. If we can waste water, we can get it back. Come on, humans, let's do this. We could make it better for nature. Water is the only resource that can be solid, liquid, gas, and it's a vital resource. We should keep it safe. The first dawn of Earth rises, the water warrior. It has been around for billions of years, till 1805 a German and a French scientist found out that water molecules were part of hydrogen and part of oxygen. From there it had been called H2O. Few or many years later, a rock in Canada has been discovered. There was a group of scientists found out that the water has been there when the first dawn of Earth, and the rock was 4.3 million years old. Now you see that proof that water had been here before dawn. But how can it get here? Does it grow here? Scientists still don't know. Let's treat water good. They're not wasted. It is amazing. From the first dawn of till now, it had not changed, but the amount of clean water and dirty water been changed. On Earth there are 4 parts. 3 parts of Earth is water and 1 part is land. There are 97% is salt water, 2% is fresh water, and 1% is drinking and really clean water. We only have this amount of water that can drink left. Come on! Water is absolutely amazing. The more that is learned about water, the more we should appearance how special it is. Every living thing on Earth, from bacteria to humans, needs water to survive. Recently, scientists discovered a rock in Canada that is over 4.3 billion years ago. It had never changed. Earth's surface is 70% water. It would seem like there is a lot of water when looking at the Earth's oceans, but 97% of the water on the planet is salt water. Of the remaining 3%, only a fraction is safe for drinking. Even though water is a continuous cycle, cleaning and replenishing itself, there is still a limit amount of water for all living things to share. All of the 7 billion people living today have less than 1% of Earth's water to share for basic needs. Because water is a vital resource, the way humans use and treat water presents challenges for themselves and the environment. Humans use water for almost everything, such as washing, bathing, drinking, cooking, swimming, and to keep cool. But something humans mistreat water by using it as a garbage can. This has happened to the Cuyahoga River in 1969. Factories and people dumped all their waste and mistreat the water so it caught on fire from so much pollution. This happened 30 times. People that can afford water can sometimes use too much water. This causes the poor to not have as much water as they need. As you can see, humans need water for almost everything. But the hard part is that when it's gone, it's gone. Ever since the dawn of the time, there has been water on this planet. We have the same amount of water as we did at the dawn of time. And now the more people that are producing need water to survive. But the more water that we need, the more we mistreat water. People think that they can mistreat water because they think new water can come every day. But actually, there is always the same amount of water on Earth. There is a machine that can turn salt water into fresh water. But is this really necessary? Because we are basically taking away the water that fish and other sea animals live in. Farmers use pesticides to kill bugs that get on their crops. But when it rains, the pesticides get washed into the soil with the rain. And when the soil goes into the river and lakes, there are some